Let's say we want to get up overhead. Well, we have two very popular solutions for overhead cleaning. Our first one is our standard 5037 10-BL, and this is a beautiful aluminum wand, button lock on one end and friction fit expanded on the other. So this would go into either a button lock fitting, or it also just fits into a slip fit fitting. So you can easily push that hose cup on there and you won't have to worry about it coming off. But this is your starter kit. So from here, you want to get up overhead, you would use a 5038. And this 5038 hose has that same tool coupler you saw on the 5004 hose. That tool coupler is going to allow you to put in your wall brush or any 1.5-inch tool. And again, it's going to lock into place, but give you that swivel ability as well, so it won't come out when you're vacuuming overhead. So now we have our extension wand. You can then add a third. This would be an 1.5-inch wand, and it's going to lock into place exactly the same way as the other one does, where you tighten the nut, and then you're going to put your tool on the end of this. So now I can cover up even higher, and look, it's still very maneuverable. So you're going to see that we can get into really hard to reach areas. We can easily do the ledges from down here very easily, cover a lot of ground, and it's very user-friendly. So that's been a review of all Ruwac's 2-inch wands and tools for floor and wall cleaning and overhead cleaning.